We're at Palm Beach Ceramics, and his 2005 Porsche just came in. We're going to do a full 5-step wet sand to it, then compound it, and then do a 3-step polishing compound to the whole vehicle. Try to get all the haziness and scratches and blemishes out of the vehicle. It is a low-mile vehicle, but the last year was kept outside, so this is what the Florida sun will do to a vehicle in 1 year. And it has a couple of paint chips on it. One of them is on this rear door right there, and we will be touching it up and then wet sanding it and blending it in. We get a close-up of this part of the hood. Okay, we're on this 2005 Porsche Cayenne that came in this morning. Right now, we're on the 3,000 grid wet sand, and the next is going to be 4,000, and then the 5,000, and then the full pure cut compound with the wool pad, and then a 3-stage polishing compound to the entire vehicle. This is the only way to do real paint correction process. Just compounding the vehicle is not paint correction. And we completed this 2005 Porsche Cayenne. We did the full paint correction process, including 3 steps of wet sanding. Applied 2 coats of graphene ceramic to the entire Porsche. The color really popped with the paint correction process. And then the graphene just seals it all in, giving them at least 4 years protection against any oxidation. And he doesn't have to wax the vehicle for 4 years also. This vehicle, we removed the rims, even though they are a little older. They really did come out nice, considering they're just alloy. This is perfection at its best.